Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I'm going to address something that I get a lot. Help, they're trying to steal my business. So if you have subcontractors or employees, if you've been in business for any length of time, you are going to come across those that you actually help along the way. And the next thing you know, they're trying to get your accounts, and it can become quite frustrating. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips, actually about 5 tips that you can follow to make sure that that does not happen to you. So the first thing you can do is make sure that you have an employee's handbook. In your employee's handbook, you want to make sure you have a non-compete clause that talks about what your employees cannot do. One of the things you want to make sure is that you include that they cannot compete with you with any of your accounts. So the first thing is to have an employee handbook with a non-compete clause. The second thing you can do is make sure that with your contacts, with your cleaning contacts, as far as your customers, that you also have a contract with them that states they cannot hire any of your employees. Make sure you cover all bases. Any of your employees, any of their relatives, anyone that they're associated with in any way. That includes their sister, brother, mother, anyone, because that can be a problem. Number 3, make sure that you have a firm connection with your customers. Make sure your cleaning customers are communicating with you at least once a month as the owner of the business. Even if you have a great customer service department, you want your hand on the pulse so that they understand that it's you that's making the employees as good as they are, and that it's not them. The fourth thing you want to make sure of is that you're on the job site, or that you have a manager that is on the job site that is there in between the client on a regular basis. They should not be there by themselves without any QA, quality assurance, on a regular basis. And number 5, make sure that you pay your employees well. Let them know that you are there to help them so they don't feel like they have to go around your back or stab you in your back to get your accounts. If you make them feel as if that you're there, that you're not going to make them feel as if they have to sneak and hide, maybe they will feel comfortable with coming to you when it comes to understanding the industry of cleaning. So hopefully all of those 5 tips will help you when it comes to actually reducing the chances of your employees trying to sabotage you and steal your cleaning accounts. Hopefully this was helpful. If you'd like to learn more, then I've got something for you. And make sure you actually click the link to sign up for my free masterclass, where I show you how to win a contract without any bidding. No bidding at all, 0. I'm going to show you what you need to do to actually win a contract with absolutely no bidding. Whether this is your first contract or whether this is one of many, then click the link to register for my free masterclass. I look forward to seeing you. Make sure you bring the energy, your pen, your paper, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.